What's going on, Hood Nation? Nidge here, DFX. We're checking out TT Short. Someone's got the bird flu. Now, I heard through the great divine that our boy Logan here, he got sick. He said, hey, let's make an episode out of it. You know what I'm saying? Let's just, use some of our characters, make them sick, blah, blah, blah. But obviously, this is Tito's channel. I want to helping him out and blah, 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 this and that. Before we begin, watch the original. They're cool reactions. They totally like support us, but we also support them too as well because we donate to them on Patreon. Be a true fan. Don't skip the commercials, and also support my Patreon. Let's do this.
I'm so sick. Oh man, kill me.
Jacked up, player.
Hey, Jack,
Being sick sucks, man.
You don't look so good.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah. I don't look good? Well, you don't look good. You don't ever look good. Ugly.
Jack, you look pretty sick.
What? Me? Sick? No. What gave that away? I'm not sick. I mean, I have tissues right here and I'm coughing every time I talk, but no, I'm not sick.
I'm gonna go call a doctor, all right, Jet?
Wait, why would you do that? Why would you call a doctor? You must be calling a doctor for you. You must be sick because you wouldn't be calling a doctor for me because I'm not sick. Nope, I'm not sick. I feel perfect.
All right, Jet, I'm gonna go. Hey, Jet, I got the doctor.
Hello, I'm
Wow.
Dr. Frederick Heisenberger. I'm a German doctor.
It's not the same.
Sick.
You heard I was sick.
Brooklyn T.
You heard wrong, old man. Maybe you should trim that hair around your ears because you're so old. Because I'm not sick. I mean, yeah, I got tissues right next to me, and I cough every time I talk. But
This is a
no,
prideful
I'm not sick.
motherfucker.
I'm perfectly fine.
You cannot fool me. I'm a doctor. Let me check your temperature. Ah! You burned my hand.
I am
Wow.
a hot piece of ass.
No, you don't understand. That means you have the bird flu. Do you know what that is?
Is it a bird that flew?
No. It means you're going to die.
What? Die? Well, I don't
No,
wanna die.
no.
I'm too young to die. There's still so much stuff I haven't done yet. I don't want to die. Cure me, cure me.
Well, there is one cure for the bird flu.
Well, I guess I'll do what I have to do.
What are you doing?
Come here, Doc.
Sneezing
what are
on
doing?
you.
I thought that. Never mind. I thought something else.
No. That is an experimental medicine I created.
Take the green
I call
pill.
it Tylenol.
Tylenol.
Be warned, there are irreversible side effects.
What are you gonna have, like Limp D or what?
I'm so sorry. That must be my German ancestry coming out. It must be the North.
Well, looks like I'm gonna take
Irreversible.
it.
He didn't even say what it was, man. You gotta listen to what he's saying, player. Like
I just took that pill.
Jet, are you sure that was a good idea to take that pill? The doctor said it had irreversible side effects.
What side effects? Like my knob getting bigger? And between me and you, I kind of need that.
But what if the side effects are bad, Jet?
There's
Like
nothing
they get
bad about
smaller.
my knob getting bigger. I mean, I might have to tie it in a knot.
Ouch.
Yeah, damn right, ouch. Be ouch for the women, because it's so big, you know? But anyway, what's the worst that could happen? You know what, Sonic? I feel better already. I'll talk to you later.
Whoa.
Oh my god. No.
Player.
Ew, disgusting.
Looks
Hey,
like it's-
Jet, you should really clean up your used tissues before you get everyone else sick too.
Wait, well, those tissues were used before I was sick.
Oh, disgusting! Oh, disgusting!
What?
You have two heads.
Wait, the pill's working that fast?
No, you have two heads.
I mean, I know it's huge, but come on,
No,
man.
no, you don't understand. You have two faces.
What?
You literally have two faces.
Who's this short dude?
What'd you call me?
I didn't call you anything.
What'd you call me?
I said you were short.
Call
one-
me short one more time.
I didn't
Ba
call you
ba
short.
ba
Yeah, I did. I called
ba
you super
ba
short.
ba ba ba.
I hope you learned your lesson, Jet.
I didn't learn anything. I think you should do it again.
What'd you say to me, Jet?
I didn't say anything. I didn't say anything.
You want some more?
Yeah, what's more? Give me all you got. My grandma hit harder than that. Come on. Is that all you got?
Yeah, next time learn to think before you speak.
I think you could hit harder than that.
Ultra combo player.
You got 2 hits!
I know, I just found out.
I think the master did this to you.
Dummy got it. What? Shut up. Look, Sonic, call that doctor. I want the second head removed. Wait, why would you want me removed? I'm your best pal. Because you got me beat up by Knuckles for calling him short. Is he not short, though?
I mean, he is, though.
Sonic, just call that doctor. I want him removed. Well, you know what? If you remove me, you know what I'm gonna do? What? Oh, he's by my head! He's by my head!
What?
He's by my head!
Oh, I'll go get the doctor.
Find this Winky.
Jet, I get the doctor.
Oh my goodness! You have 3 heads now!
I know, thank you.
You're
3
welcome.
heads.
This must be a
The
substitute
Hydra.
medicine.
This man calls himself a doctor. Shut up.
The good news is that you're not sick anymore.
Well, I'm glad I'm not sick, but I don't want 2 heads.
The bad news is that if you don't get rid of that head, it will slowly start taking over your body and your head will fall off.
What? I don't want my head to fall off. Yeah, I'm gonna start taking over.
Well, there is one other option. You could kill the other head.
Oh.
Anyway, good luck.
Kill the
Wow,
other head.
this is
Dude,
getting
you can't
evil
kill me.
now.
Oh yeah, watch this.
Jet, I'm gonna get the gun.
That does not look good.
Jet, I get the gun.
Sonic, he's taking over.
He's
Yeah,
got the
Sonic, he's
piece.
taking over.
Oh no.
Which one do you shoot?
Come on, Sonic, you know I'm the real Jet. No, Sonic, you know I'm the real Jet.
There's only one way to find out. I'll ask you a bunch of questions, and whoever gets it right is the real Jet.
That sounds fair. Yeah, that sounds
Alright.
fair.
I'll
Let's do
start
it.
with you. Who is my best friend?
Your
Tails.
mom? Is it not?
I mean, the real Jet will say that. All right, you're next. What is my favorite color?
Blue? I mean, you're blue, so that's kind of obvious.
It is blue. All right, you're next. What does Ronald Weasley say in 1 hour, 2 minutes, and 6 seconds in The Prisoner of Azkaban?
I don't know.
I have
he says,
no-
shut your mouth, Malfoy.
Oh.
I know.
You shot the wrong one.
I just got
Ah.
you got it right. What have I done? Oh my god.
Shut down. Well, that Jet seems pretty cool with it. Well, it sounds like our original Jet's dead now. But yeah, anyways, with that, you guys, yeah, that was something definitely that was big and it had to happen. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, it is what it is. By the way, you guys, check out Chili on her channel. She's live streaming. In fact, I think she's actually live streaming like all night tonight, which is cool. She's swapping the paddle between her and her hubby, or boyfriend, aka Logie. Which I think is fucking, like, perfect. Which I've been telling them to do for, like, a long time. Playing, like, some Call of Duty and Fortnite and stuff like that. Like, I told them, I'm like, you guys just do it. Like, people be donating and doing some shit. You know, I'm like, you guys would make some mad cash, man. Like, you got 800 subscribers on your channel. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wish I had that type of love. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to give me that type of love, though, your chance to do so is going to be right now, because you guys can actually subscribe here on the Hood Nation and do so. And my gaming channel that I mentioned before, which was also known as meganidge. Yeah, you know, like always, you know, we got that place to get your feet wet. But hey, you know, if I need a cup of tea, y'all go find it. It's out there. Believe it. This is Nidge from DFX. I'm out.